Which species of fish is globally recognized as the most expensive to consume? Atlantic salmon, swordfish, bluefin tuna, Chilean sea bass. The correct answer is bluefin tuna. Which Best Picture winner follows an undercover police officer and a criminal mole operating in Boston? Mystic River, The Departed, Spotlight, Good Will Hunting. The correct answer is The Departed. Which of Earth's oceans is the warmest on average? Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean. The correct answer is Indian Ocean. What is the title of the autobiography written by musician Ozzy Osbourne? I Am Ozzy, Rock This, The Things I Love, Of Myself. The correct answer is I Am Ozzy. The ancient city of Alexandria was renowned for its bustling port and thriving trade. Which sea is Alexandria's harbour connected to? Mediterranean Sea, Red Sea, Black Sea, Arabian Sea. The correct answer is Mediterranean Sea. Which country issued the world's highest face value gold coin, valued at $1 million? United States, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom. The correct answer is Canada. The theory of continental drift was proposed by Alfred Wegener, Charles Darwin, Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein. The correct answer is Alfred Wegener. Which installment of the Mission Impossible series is known for its iconic Burj Khalifa scene? Mission Impossible 3, Mission Impossible Ghost Protocol, Mission Impossible Rogue Nation, Mission Impossible Fallout. The correct answer is Mission Impossible Ghost Protocol. What is the capital city of Madagascar, the island nation famous for its unique wildlife and baobab trees? Antananarivo, Blantyre, Belmopan, Thimford. The correct answer is Antananarivo. If you zoom way down into a human cell, what is the name of the central control center that safely holds all of your DNA? Ribosome, nucleus, mitochondria, cytoplasm. The correct answer is nucleus. Because it zips around the sun so incredibly fast, which planet in our solar system has the shortest year? Venus, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter. The correct answer is Mercury. The Romanov family once ruled which country? France, Germany, Russia, Poland. The correct answer is Russia. Which organ is responsible for triggering hiccups? Heart, diaphragm, liver, stomach. The correct answer is diaphragm. Dialysis is a medical treatment for which organ? Liver, kidneys, heart, pancreas. The correct answer is kidneys. What is the motion called when you flex your foot upward at the ankle? Plantar flexion, dorsiflexion, rotation, pronation. The correct answer is dorsiflexion.